Well guys, it's officially 2017 and I would like to do an update on my firearm collection. So here we go. This is a 50-year anniversary Ruger 1022. Plain Jane, it's completely stock for now. And yeah, moving on, we have a Winchester Model 61 22 long rifle. Nope, wrong one. 22 long rifle. Then we have a Savage 356Y Youth 20-gauge single shot. This is a great gun. So these are also very fun. We have here a pre-64 Winchester Model 94 and 3030. And on the back of the receiver here, it's got San Francisco PD stamped. It was a mounted policeman's rifle. Here we have a Ruger American in the naval digital camo stock in 270 Winchester. It is also a very nice gun. It is wearing a Redfield 4-12. And here is one of my newest purchases. This is a Kimber Hunter model in 7mm 08, which is pretty much just a neck down to 308. It's a very nice rifle. I have not yet bought a scope for it. Very excited to see how that performs. Here we have a Model 44 Mosin-Nagant, 1945 produced, a Chevette rifle. It is completely stock, has a bayonet and sling. This will be getting no modifications. And here we have a late 60s Tula, not Tula, but Norinco SKS. No bayonet. Did not have one when I purchased it. It is wearing a strike hard gear, but stock clip pouch. Very fun gun. Reliable. Here we have a 1944 Long Branch, Canadian produced, number 4 Mark 1 star, I believe. Not exactly sure on that. It is also a very nice weapon, even though 303 British is hard to come by and expensive in my area, as I do live in California. Over here we have a Winchester Model 1300 Defender in 12 gauge. It's 7+1. It is loaded. And here we have a Bushmaster California model AR-15 with a bullet button. It will not have the bullet button much longer, nor the collapsible stock or pistol grip or flash hider, as I will be making it featureless to forego the registration laws that have been put in place that have gone into effect today. So this is my firearms collection. As of now, I am 18. Some of these are inherited, others I have bought, but they are all very nice firearms. Thank you for watching.